What if you could turn a 30-page research paper into one visual map in minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to extract knowledge graphs from research and learn faster than ever. Get ready to transform your learning from overwhelm to instant mastery with this 4-step method by ChatGPT prompts. Alright, let's dive right in with step 1. Isolate core concepts. We'll start with something dense and complicated, like this paragraph about customer onboarding friction. Most of us would read this and feel completely lost in the details. Now watch what happens when I paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to act like a laser scanner. In seconds, AI gives me this: a clear foundational list. We've transformed a dense research paragraph into 10 key concepts like customer onboarding process and latency issues. This is our starting point for rapid understanding, helping us immediately grasp the basic building blocks. Now let's move into step 2. Discover key relationships, the relationships that truly make sense of the topic and reveal how it works. I just asked ChatGPT, using the concepts you just identified, describe 5 to 7 significant relationships between them, focusing on cause and effect or impact. Show the connection clearly, like concept A leads to concept B, and here's what it gives me: crucial connections mapped out. Instead of seeing isolated facts, ChatGPT helps me understand how everything interacts, revealing the system at play. This is how smart learners connect the dots. They don't just know facts, they see how each part affects the others. Let's get to step 3. Visualize the knowledge graph. Now that I've got the core concepts and their relationships, it's time to bring it all together visually. Because truly, mastering a subject means seeing how everything fits. That's where the knowledge graph truly shines. I give ChatGPT this prompt based on the concepts and relationships. Outline a simple text-based knowledge graph using clear indentation and arrows to show connections. ChatGPT responds with this clear, organized textual outline of the knowledge graph. And here's the even more genius part. ChatGPT then asks if I want it visualized as a diagram or mind map image. I simply type, "Please turn into visual chart," and boom, it generates this beautiful interconnected knowledge graph right here in the chat. This isn't just about listing facts. It's about building a comprehensive mental model. It's turning dense research into a clear visual map you can understand at a glance. Finally, we arrive at step 4, extracting actionable insights from the knowledge graph to know what to do next. So I asked ChatGPT, based on this knowledge graph, what are the 3 most critical insights someone needs to master this topic quickly? How do these insights connect? And what should I focus on first to truly understand this topic? Here's what it gives me, and it goes further. It tells me exactly how to achieve mastery. Look at the output. ChatGPT not only gives us the most critical insights, but it also tells us why they matter, how they connect, and what to focus on first. Let's quickly recap the full process, all 4 steps. Here's how you learn any topic 5 times faster using ChatGPT. Step 1. Isolate core concepts. Get your fundamental building blocks. Step 2. Discover key relationships. Find the crucial connections. Step 3. Visualize the knowledge graph. Build a visual map of how it all fits together. Step 4. Extract deep insights for mastery. Get your direct path to profound understanding. This isn't just about customer onboarding. Imagine applying this to a new programming language, a complex scientific paper, or even structuring your next big project. This simple AI micro solution, it reduces that feeling of overwhelm and truly empowers you to tackle any topic with immediate understanding. A quick note, always cross-reference AI-generated information with your primary sources to ensure accuracy and build deeper understanding. And to help you apply this instantly, I've put all the exact ChatGPT prompts I used in the video description below. Just copy, paste, paste and start learning and mastering. Now that you've mastered understanding with a knowledge graph, ready to actually remember it all? Then watch my next video, how to memorize 5 times faster using ChatGPT. 4 simple prompts right here, because once you remember what you understand, you truly own it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.